To change the rear gear case fluid on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, and place the vehicle in park. Next, place a drain pan underneath the rear gear case drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Before removing, clean the area around the fill plug. Then, remove the rear gear case fill plug and set aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Then, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Note that the drain plug has a magnetic tip and must be installed in the bottom of the gear case. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the gear case through the fill plug hole with the proper amount of the recommended fluid. Reinstall the gear case fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.